Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So this is our 348th tutorial. You can watch the other tutorials also for the practice drawings. Okay, so let's get started. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. Here we will select the XY plane. Take here the circle command. From the center point, make one circle of diameter 80. Okay, now from same center we'll make a diameter of 50 mm. Okay, take the line command and here make one center line and make one more. Okay, now we will use the half of the circle, so we will trim the half. Go to trim, select this bottom and select this bottom. Okay, now finish sketch. Here take the extrude command, select this profile and here we will take symmetric and the extrude will be of 80 mm. Okay, this will be a symmetric extrude and press OK. Now we are going to make the bottom profile. I'll rotate it and select this bottom face. Go to create sketch, rotate the view. Okay, take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle and here we will start from this edge. Go to dimension. Here we will define this as 65. Okay, and we will define this as 60 mm. Okay, now we will take the horizontal constraint. Here we will select the center point of this rectangle and select the center point. Now finish sketch, go to home, take the extrude command, we will flip the direction to direction 2 and here we will take join and the dimension here will be of 25 mm. Okay, so this will be extrude of 25 mm and press OK. Now select this corner, take the fillet command. Here we are going to take fillet radius as 20 mm. Similarly here also 20 mm and press OK. Okay, now select this face, go to create sketch. Take the circle command and when I drag the cursor on this, you will set the center point. Click the center point, make circle of diameter 10. Similarly here also the center point, make diameter 10. Finish sketch, take extrude, select both the profiles. Here we will flip the direction to cut. This will be also a depth of 25. It will be a through cut and press OK. Okay, now we have completed the half of the portion. So we'll make the other half also. You can just mirror it or first you can complete this complete. Okay, go to 2D sketch, go to origin. We'll select here the XY plane. Take the circle command, make one circle here of diameter 40. From the same center point, diameter 10. Okay, go to dimension, center from this bottom, this will be at a distance of 50 mm. Okay, take the vertical constraint, select the center point, select the center point, take the line command, select here and join till here and make one line here and one line here. Okay, go to vertical constraint, select this, make it vertical. Go to tangent constraint, select this line, select the circle and scale. Now go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now you can see we have multiple profiles here. Go to view, go to sketch, take the trim command, trim this profile, this. Okay, we will keep this bottom. Okay, go to trim once again, trim this and trim this. Okay, so we will make this profile now. Finish sketch, go to extrude, select this profile, take here symmetric extrude and the distance here of extrude will be of 30 mm. This will be a joining profile and press OK. Okay. Now go to view, visual style, shade it with edges. Now we are going to make a rib profile over here. Select the XY plane once again, go to create sketch. Here take the line command, make one line from this end and till this. Okay. Dimension, go to home, select this top edge and here select this bottom edge. The height here will be of 50 mm. Okay. Similarly select this end point. Okay. Go to front view, select this end point and this will be 45 mm. Okay. Now here go to view, visual style, change it to wireframe. Now you can see this line is traveling inside. Now escape, go to sketch, take here coincident constraint, select this point and select this face. Okay, don't select these points, select this face. So this will be constrained now. You can see here fully constrained sketch. Go to home. Okay, now escape from the command. Now here select this yellow line, make it construction, select this, make it construction and select this, make it construction. Okay, now only this solid line will be left. Finish sketch, go to 3D model, take here rib command. So this profile will be selected, otherwise these all profiles would also be selected. Now here I click on parallel to sketch plane and here will change the direction. So this will be towards this side and here I have taken the symmetric and the thickness will be of 10 mm. Okay, from center point this will be 5 mm this side and 5 mm this side. Now press OK. Go to view, visual style, change it to shade with edges. So this will be the profile. Now here I have completed half of the profile. Now I'll mirror this complete profile. So go to 3D model, take here mirror command, select this rib, select this profile, select, and here we will select this extrude 3, fillet 1. Okay, we will not select the extrude 4. This is the middle profile. Go to mirror plane. Here I'll select the XYZ plane. Okay, rotate. So this will be the profile and press OK. So the same profile has been constructed here as well. Now go to fillet. We'll take here a radius of 2 mm. Go to edge selection, select this, select this, select this face, rotate, select this, select this, rotate, select this corner, select this, and here similarly select this. Now press OK. Go to home. Now here we'll take the light red color. Okay, so here you can see the light red. So this will be the final output. Okay, so this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.